You ready? Okay. Hello everyone, it's Michelle, Foraging Friends with
Kevin.
And not too long ago, Kevin and I and James and a few other foraging friends picked this Japanese knotweed, and today we're going to be turning it into ice cream. So we're going to mix together our recipe and test it out, and hopefully we'll have it ready for our event on August the 22nd.
Yeah.
Reels with them.
The B-roll.
Do you like apples?
Buddy?
Yeah.
Hey, you like apples?
Maybe give him a little piece of this one.
I just never give him the skins and seeds.
No.
I'll
Give him that. Make sure. There we go. We set the timer for this.
Yeah.
That one's. First, there's a caveat that I want to talk about for Japanese knotweed. It needs to be chopped up bite-sized, and it's better to use a food processor. And also, make sure to throw all of it into the trash can so that it doesn't reproduce in our landscapes anywhere. Okay, some yogurt. Of course, you can freeze this and have as ice cream. The final results turned out really good, so we decided to make 2 minor adjustments so it would be ready for the event. Visiting with the Japanese knotweed, noticing some of the reddishness on the branches.